Hello everyone. Do you know how the children treat cough among themselves? Here is Jacob suffering from cough, and this is Karunji. We call this umfundo in our local language. It is used by most people to treat cough. Here is a pencil tree, what we call orienge in our local language, and it is also used to treat cough. You put it under fire, then you let it get burnt somehow. As you can see, Karunji is trying to make the medicine for the little Jacob. That's a pencil tree under fire, and this is how it looks after it's burnt. The other plant will always release a bit of water after going through a bit of fire. Then you have to chew it and swallow the water. Thanks everyone for watching. This is how the children treat cough among themselves.